What were your first impressions of the U.S.?
Oh my goodness. I remember going, my aunt lived in New York on 86th Street, on West 86th Street, and we went to the local grocery store. That was unbelievable, absolutely unbelievable. I remember that, you know, with all this food. I mean, nobody bought food that way. You know, you went to the local market outdoors, or and you'd never buy food for a week because there was no place to keep it. There was no refrigerator. There was no. So that was totally remarkable. We were sponsored by a family who came here in the early 1900s in Paterson, New Jersey. So that's where we went. They had a wood frame house. They gave us the upstairs. It was the biggest place. I had never lived in more than one room that I could remember, my parents and I both. And the bathroom was never in the room. So we had, for the first time, we had our own bathroom, which was remarkable. And there was, I had a room, my parents had a room, there was a dining room, there was a kitchen, it was a palace. One of my most significant memories, I think, was that there were some kids who were in the neighborhood. And, you know, at that age, you pick up languages very quickly. And I had learned a little English. And they asked me where I came from. And so I remembered in Germany that you weren't supposed to say you were Jewish. You were supposed to say you were German. And I was so fluent in German that I could say I was German. So I told them I was German. Of course, I didn't know that Germany was the enemy. And I mean, it was horrible. They tried to burn me with cigarettes and you know, matches. And it was terrible. I mean, I had no idea kind of what the rules were. And the rules were the German. Oh, my Lord, that was not. So that took a while.